Alrighty, in this video we're going to take another look at mid-segments. We're going to use mid-segments to find the missing length, which I think is kind of funny because it's not really missing. It's right there. Alright, so in each of these cases we're dealing with a mid-segment. And by the way, if you just want to be sure, remember, mid-segments connect midpoints of the sides of the triangle. And you see how the markings show that C is the midpoint of LK because the two segments on either side of C are congruent, and D is the midpoint of LM, so CD is a mid-segment because it connects two midpoints. And as I mentioned earlier in the last video, the length of the mid-segment is always half as long as the side that's kind of, I guess, opposite from it. So KM in this case equals 2 times CD. So KM equals 2 times CD is 5. So KM equals 10. Okay. And this extra information here, the 22, the 24, just thrown in there to confuse you. Take a look at the next one. BD, supposed to find BD right here, and we're told that UV is 9. So we've got that BD is twice as long as UV because UV is the midsegment, so it's half as long as that side. So multiplied by 2 would give us BD. So BD equals 2 times 9. Or BD equals 18. So one more because it's slightly different from the first two. Here we're supposed to find WX. We're told that AC is 16. And again, you can judge by the markings that WX is a midpoint. So this time I'm going to write it up a little bit differently. We're going to say that WX equals 1/2 of AC. Because that's true, WX is half of AC. So WX equals 1/2 of 16. And you could punch this in your calculator, I suppose, but I think you know what 1/2 of 16 is. It's 8. Okay. Another way that we could have set this up is we could have said that 2 times WX equals AC. So we could have said that 2 times WX equals an AC is 16. And then to isolate WX, the length of that side as a variable, we would just divide by 2 on both sides and end up with WX equals 16 divided by 2 or 8. Same answer either way. Of course, you don't actually, in these cases, really need to show any work. They're pretty straightforward. I'm just kind of dragging it out a bit because when we do have to use some calculations and do equations, we're going to have to set it up this way. All right, so good luck.